If you look to the left of the notebook, you can see we have a side tab, which is this section just here, and it looks a little something like this. So with the side tab you have the page sorter, you've also got a section called gallery, you've got the attachments section, there's a section for properties, and there's also an add-ons section. So let's look at each of these in turn. Looking at the page sorter, what you can do here is you can put your slides and pages into different groups if you so wish, and you can also use this to move things around. So as you saw just then, the order of my pages was in the wrong order, so I can just click and drag and move it along. If I want this to disappear, I can make it auto hide, so that when I come back and look in presentation mode, it's hidden. To find it again, I just have to click. So that's the auto hide feature just there. So after page sorter we have the gallery. Now in the gallery you've got a few things to look at. Let's have a look at in fact no, let's not go that way. Okay, so gallery essentials. If you want a picture, there's some stock images in here that you could add. We also have some interactive multimedia. Maybe you want to put an abacus in there. There we are. We've got some notes and files in here. Example, again just drag and drop. And then finally we've got backgrounds and themes. So it's probably worth a while having a little explore of this. You'll also notice we've got Smart Exchange here and Trimble 3D Warehouse. They both kind of lead to the same thing. Here's the warehouse and here we have the 3D content. So let me just click and show you. This takes you to this website here, the Smart Exchange, and then you can look for content. If it says 3D content, you can manipulate the image, and let's just show you how that looks. So we double click, let's get rid of that, download, and let's just open it. This should open another smart notebook, and there's my 3D image of a heart, which I can then manipulate as I see fit. Let's not save that, let's just close that. Our next section then, so that's a 3D warehouse. Our next section, oh, I forgot to remove the picture. Our next section is the attachment section. Now what you can do here if you so wish is you can insert a hyperlink, or you can insert a copy of a file. I've done one example here for you, and this is just a useful handout for you to look at, talking about the toolbars and the tabs. Alternatively, you could actually embed that into your actual page, and you could still access it that way. So either or. Moving on, next we have properties. Now if you click on properties general, you've got a few options here for filling in effect. What you really need to do is click on something first. So for example, here I have my writing, and now I've got different options. I've got fill options with transparency, I can change this text style, and I can also add animation. So maybe I want it to fade in, or maybe I want it to fade out, or maybe I don't want any of those features. So that is the properties. And then finally, if you look at the little jigsaw, you've got some add-ons here. We've got 6 add-ons. Each of these will be addressed in a different video. Thanks for watching.